For centuries, across cultures, the simple act of brewing and sipping tea has been intertwined with health and well-being. From ancient Chinese medicinal practices to Ayurvedic traditions, herbal infusions have been revered for their therapeutic properties. These beverages offer more than just hydration. They provide a gentle yet powerful way to nourish our bodies and soothe our souls. Herbal teas, often called tisanes, are infusions made from various parts of plants, including leaves, flowers, roots, and seeds. Unlike true teas like black tea or green tea, which come from the Camellia sinensis plant, herbal infusions are naturally caffeine-free and bursting with unique flavors and health benefits. These qualities make them a welcome addition to any wellness routine. Throughout history, herbal teas have been used to address a wide range of ailments. Whether seeking relief from a common cold, a good night's sleep, or simply a moment of tranquility, there's an herbal infusion to suit every need. Let's explore a few recipes that showcase the versatility and power of these natural remedies. Chamomile and lavender, with their delicate aromas and calming properties, have long been cherished for their ability to ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. Chamomile, with its gentle apple-like flavor, works as a mild sedative, relaxing the nervous system and easing tension. Lavender, known for its beautiful purple blooms and soothing scent, helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. To prepare a calming chamomile and lavender tea, you'll need 1 tablespoon dried chamomile flowers, 1 teaspoon dried lavender flowers, and 1 cup of boiling water. Combine the chamomile and lavender flowers in a teapot or heat-safe mug. Pour boiling water over the herbs, cover, and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug and enjoy the soothing aroma and flavor. This calming infusion is best enjoyed in the evening, an hour or two before bedtime, to promote relaxation and prepare the mind and body for a peaceful night's sleep. Ginger and turmeric, 2 powerful roots celebrated in both culinary and medicinal traditions, combine to create a warming and invigorating tea that supports digestion and strengthens immunity. Ginger, known for its spicy kick, helps to stimulate digestion, reduce nausea, and alleviate bloating. Turmeric, with its earthy flavor and vibrant golden hue, is a potent anti-inflammatory that boosts the immune system and protects against chronic diseases. To brew a warming cup of ginger and turmeric tea, gather these ingredients: a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, and 1 cup of boiling water. Honey or lemon is optional to taste. Add the sliced ginger and ground turmeric to a saucepan with the boiling water. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug and add honey or lemon to taste, if desired. Enjoy this warming tea in the morning to kickstart your digestion, or in the evening to boost your immune system and promote overall well-being. Peppermint and fennel, 2 aromatic herbs renowned for their digestive benefits, join forces to create a refreshing and soothing tea that eases digestive discomfort and promotes healthy digestion. Peppermint, with its cooling sensation and invigorating aroma, helps to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, relieving gas, bloating, and indigestion. Fennel, with its slightly sweet, licorice-like flavor, helps to reduce inflammation in the gut, stimulate bile flow, and ease constipation. To prepare a soothing peppermint and fennel tea, you'll need 1 tablespoon dried peppermint leaves and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, along with 1 cup of boiling water. Combine the peppermint leaves and fennel seeds in a teapot or heat-safe mug. Pour boiling water over the herbs, cover, and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug and enjoy the refreshing flavor. This soothing infusion can be enjoyed after meals to aid digestion or anytime you experience digestive discomfort.